Hello everyone, I'm gonna say the usual one. Grab the hair from the sides, tighten the middle, and make the twisted band twice. With the remaining hair, make a ponytail, and with that ponytail, split them into two little parts, and with the larger one, split that into two as well. Then with the four sections, have a lovely rubber band attached to it, securing it tightly. Repeat the same for the other four as well. Completely tighten it. Then make a loop and drop it inside, making a twisted band. Then you have to grab two of them and stuff it into the left section of the loop we first created. Then drop the other two into the right section of the loop and secure its position. Now adjust it, forming a little good shape. Then with the remaining tails, stuff it completely beneath the bun we created now, and have a lovely hair clip. Grab your hair from the sides, tie it in the middle with the rubber band, and make a twisted band once. And with the remaining hair, split it along with two sections, along with the ponytail we created now. Then do the braiding in the left section with three parts, including the middle one as well. Pinch the braids out for little volume, and have a beautiful hair loop attached to the right section, and bring the entire braid to the right. Then with the remaining hair, along with the ponytail we just created, have another braid. Now secure the braid's end, fold it to half, and secure its position to the left by inserting a lovely hairpin. Then decorate with your hairpin of your choice. This is the cannon. Grab the hair from the sides, tie it in the middle with the rubber band, and make a twisted pattern once. With the remaining hair, grab another rubber band and tie, making a ponytail. Then split the ponytail into three parts, making the middle one as the largest. And what else? Start braiding it in a very thick manner by using two strips of hair. Then with the tip of the ponytail, bend it, securing its end. Then with the remaining two ponytails, have a rubber band attached to the middle and make a loop, drop it inside, making a twisted pattern once again. Then grab all of them together, tie rubber band again in the middle part, bend it forward and stuff it inside the ridge. Then completely make it to the top by using a lovely hairpin and secure its position. Have a little strip of hair braided at the left side of your hair and pinch them out for a loop-like shape. Then bring the bun maker and make a bun and hide it beneath the hair. Then bring the braid around the bun and secure its position with a hair clip. Here we go again. Grab the hair from the sides, tie it in the middle of the rubber band, and make the twisted band twice. And what you have to do is pinch the hair a little bit for boosting the volume of the twisted pattern. Do it again at the bottom section of the hair and do it 3 more times. And with the bottom part of the ponytail, twist it, and what else? You're gonna braid it. So stuff the braid completely inside the shape we created and secure it with a hairpin. Then decorate each section with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Grab the hair from the sides, tie it in the middle of the rubber band, make the twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair, split them into 3 and then start braiding it. Secure the ends with the rubber band and make it go to the right clip by moving it top and form a circle shape and secure it with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Straighten your lovely ponytail with a bun maker and roll it, make it to the top, then bend the bun maker, forming a circle, and hide it with the hair by extending it. Secure it with a rubber band and have a beautiful hair clip. Make a very thick hair braid out of 2 sections of your hair and twist it in a clockwise manner and secure its place with a very large hair clutcher. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair, grab the hair from the sides, tie it in the middle, and make the first tail go into the left side of it and secure it to the right. Then grab another section of the hair from behind and do the same again and secure the lovely hair clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.